Fertility teas. Teas for getting pregnant. This is not an easy solution. Hormones are very complicated. It can be genetic. It's often associated with bloating, bleeding, infertility. It's a sensitive subject. And here at Zen's Tea House, we have been working with people trying to get pregnant. And it's been very rewarding to hear the success stories. And the overarching success stories had multiple things in common. Number one is they understood that fertility teas to help with libido, tea to help with reproductive organs, is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Well, I hope you understand that as much as we want to help you, in this video we're going to cover 3 things you need to know about fertility teas. Let's get started. Number 1, fertility teas. If you are struggling with fertility, you are not alone. This is an emotional journey, and I don't advise anyone to just keep this quiet. Talk with your medical physician, talk with your family, talk with your loved ones, talk with your spouse or partner that this is an issue, it is a struggle, it's a challenge that you're looking to overcome, and you want to do so naturally. At least I'm assuming you want to do so naturally, hence you're working with Zen's Tea House. So, communication, number 1. Number two, diet and lifestyle. People don't know that the lifestyle that they had before trying to get pregnant will have an impact on their fertility today. It's not a common discussion about taking the pill. These are birth control pills that are toxic. They literally destroy the reproductive organs. And that may not be popular, but it is a reality. If you have taken the pill, if you've taken reproductive chemically inducing birth control pills, then understand that this journey to fertility is going to be a long one. It doesn't have to be, but it will likely be so. Fertility teas are great with helping to balance the body. The body is an ecosystem, and if that body has been consuming for years, sometimes a decade plus, of toxins that, quite frankly, negatively impact, destroy the reproductive system, then it will take probably more than just a couple drinks of this fertility tea to help with reproduction. Number 3, fertility teas need to be used with a medical physician. If you think that drinking this tea is going to be a one-size-fits-all solution, theoretically it can be, but most likely you'll have to work with a nutritionist, a dietitianist, a medical physician who understands that your body is not like anyone else's body. What you put into your body is specific to your body. Your reproductive organs have been influenced in one way or another by your lifestyle, by your diet. And a medical physician who understands that will ask questions about how long you've been taking birth control. Have you been taking birth control? Has infertility been something that your family, for either your mother, your sisters, or your cousins have struggled with? Those are factors when it comes to fertility. So Zen's Tea House has fertility teas. You can click the link below and get access to this fertility tea. Try it out. If it doesn't work for you, guess what? We'll replace it for free. We have a few different teas. Maca root is a very popular herb that people have used to successfully get pregnant, and it doesn't work for everyone. So Zen's Tea House, our motto is helping people through the power of tea. We want you to know that this is a very emotional, sensitive, and often challenging road to go on. I want to tell you that I sympathize. I know that struggle. I may not have dealt with that struggle, but I've seen, I've experienced, I have family. This is why we're doing this video, because fertility teas, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. That's not true for any pill, especially when it comes to natural medicine. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you have any comments, you have any suggestions on the fertility teas or herbs or even supplements you've taken to help with fertility, please let us know below. Share this video and let people know that this fertility issue, and it's an issue, is real and it's impacting more people than what is communicated. in mass media. Hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below.